Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mydigitalbrand. Are you a small business owner? Are you selling your products through online? Do you want to improve your business using the power of digital marketing? If your answer is yes, I have a special topic for you today. Before making a deep dive into our session, let me introduce myself. I am Rajesh Bakthavachalam, founder of Mydigitalbrand. In today's session, we are going to see how to improve our business using digital marketing techniques. Today I am going to showcase a 8-step digital marketing strategy. These 8 steps has been successfully implemented in my own business. Here we go with the 8-step roadmap for reaping the success. As shown in the picture, we have 8 major milestones, but for clear understanding purpose, I would like to segregate these 8 steps into 2 phases. First 4 steps are discovery phase and the next 4 steps are refinement phase. In discovery phase, we are engaged more towards setting up the business. In other words, it's preparation activities to establish your business. In refinement phase, we are going to maintain the business once it is getting established. It needs continuous improvement and monitoring. Let's deep dive into the discovery phase. As shown in this slide, the initial step is having a clear business idea. It is very crucial because it is the foundation for your business success. Having a clear business idea helps you to identify your target customers and overall your competitors and what are the market trends. If you are already running a business, no worries. If you want to start a new business, it's better to invest some time by doing a research and select your own business. Please have a look on the top 10 business ideas which maintained a traction in 2023. A strong brand name is vital for business success. It shows your identity, values and offerings, and also it leaves a best impression to the customers. I would suggest you to select a memorable brand name so that it is easily remembered by the customers. In simple words, brand name is a powerful tool which emotionally connects with your audience. It helps. Now you have a business idea and a brand name. As a next step, you need to define your operation model. You can drive your business through 3 types of operation models. Online mode. It's nothing but selling your products through online. A typical example is selling a product in Amazon or through your own portal. Selling the products in offline mode. It's nothing but selling the products in a store. And third one is combination of both these methods is called as hybrid mode. You can sell the product both through online as well as through offline stores. So it's up to you to define what kind of operation model you are going to select for your business. Step number 4. Creating online visibility. So now you have a business idea, brand name, and also you have defined your operation model. So you have just started your business. As a next step, you need to showcase to the large audience that you have started the business. You have to showcase your brand name to the wide audience across the world. This can be achieved in 2 ways. As I already told, if you are running the business through online, you can create the visibility and awareness of your business through social media campaigns. You can use Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to publish your ads and showcase your brand name to the wider group of people across the world. If you are running a store in offline mode, I would suggest you to leverage the Google Maps. As I mentioned earlier, it gives an increased visibility because whenever a customer searches for a specific product from a nearby location, it showcases your store. And also, it gives you an online presence. Even though if you don't have a website, key information like store opening hours, reviews, and photos can be retrieved from the Google Maps. And also Google Maps gives you a location assistance. If a customer want to locate a store, it gives you a navigation assistance so that you can locate the store easily. I did my best to explain how to set up the business during the discovery phase. Let's meet in the next session to discuss about the refinement phase of the business. Thanks everyone for watching my channel. If you like the content shared in this session, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.